It breaks my heart how few business people understand this. And the ones that do understand it, they still don't change their process. What am I talking about? People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. Just think about the last time somebody told you they were sold something. Oh man, somebody sold me this piece of junk used truck, but I bought a brand new Ford F-150. I love it. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. So I need you to realize that and position your communications in these 4 ways. Number 1, take the time in the beginning to truly learn about the person you're communicating with, about their organization, about their wants, their needs, their hopes, their dreams. Spend time learning about them. Don't even start by talking about yourself. Number 2, take a breath, think, figure out how your product, service, or solution or yourself can help them get closer to their ideal situation. And then, and only then, you can start talking. You need to relate how your product, yourself, your solution will help them get to their ideal scene. And then number 4, you need to have a close that's not pushy, not manipulative, not forceful, and not salesy in any way. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. My name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.